Hello children, I am Suchitra Mess and today I will teach language to class 3 children. Children, open your book and take out chapter 5, that is singular and plural. Now, what is singular and plural nouns? A noun that denotes or points out one person, place, or thing is a singular noun. Now, what is plural noun? A noun that denotes or points out more than one person, place, or thing is a plural noun. Now, look at the picture. See what is given. A puppy is playing with a ball. So it is a singular sentence or singular noun we can see. So what will be the answer in plural form? Two puppies are playing with a ball. Next, see, I ate a dish of fruits. I ate many dishes of fruits. So in sentence 1 and 2, we find puppy is a singular noun and puppies is a plural noun. Whereas in sentence 3 and 4, we find dish is a singular and dishes is plural. Okay? Now we will go through your book. Open chapter 5, singular and plural, page number 16. See what is given. First, we will go through the definition. Nouns that are one in number are called singular, and those that are more than one in number are plural. Many nouns can be made plural by adding s. For example, boy, boys, book, books, chair, chairs. Now see, nouns that end in ch, sh, s, o, ss and x form their plural by adding es. For example, church, churches, brush, brushes, bus, buses, potato, potatoes, dress, dresses, fox, foxes. Next, nouns that end in f and fe are made plural by replacing f and fe with ves. For example, leaf, leaves, thief, thieves, wife, wives. In nouns that end in a constant before the final y, the y is replaced with ies to make their plural. For example, baby, babies, family, families, butterfly, butterflies. Now next is in noun that end in a vowel before the final y. Only an s is added to make their plural. For example, toy, toys, monkey, monkeys. Some nouns do not follow any rules while performing their plural. For example, woman, women, child, children, ox, oxen, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, man, men, person, people. Next is, some nouns do not change in their plural form. For example, these noun doesn't change in their plural form. That is sheep, luggage, knowledge, news, furniture, deer, fish, money, aircraft, information, fruit, spacecraft. Next, sometimes we use a plural noun for one thing that has two parts joined together. For example, scissors, jeans, shorts, glasses, trousers, pants. Some plural noun refer to a group of people, animal or things. For example, clothes, stairs, goods. Now we will do some exercise. Come to page number 16. See what is given. Correct this plural. It's given wrong spelling. Buses is given. Correct the spelling of buses. Number 1. Then number 2 is brushes. Number 3, cherries. Number 4, leaves. Videos. Teeth. Mosquitoes. Sheep. Ponies. Mice. Mangoes. Dishes. Phones. Halves. Chefs. Now come to page number 18. What is given? Rewrite this sentence. See exercise number 8. Rewrite this sentence after correcting the incorrect plurals. Number 1. His foot are dirty. His feet are dirty. Okay. Number 2. Trees shed their leaf in autumn. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. Number 3. My pants are torn. My pants are torn. Number 4. She put the cloth out for drying. She put the clothes out for drying. Number 5. Are these tomatoes fresh? Are these tomatoes fresh? Question mark. Number 6. You should brush your tooth twice a day. You should brush your teeth twice a day. Full stop. Number 7. There were too many persons in the queue. There were too many people in the queue. Full stop. Number 8. The wolves were howling at night. The wolves were howling at night. Full stop. Number 9. 5 deers were grazing in the park. 5 deer were grazing in the park. Full stop. Number 10. I saw a flock of goose flying across the field. I saw a flock of geese flying across the field. Now the rest from 11 to 20 you will do at home. I have explained you 1 to 10. The rest you will do at home. Now come to page number 20. It's given. Circle the things that you can count. See what is given. Water is there. You cannot count water. You cannot circle water. Balloon. Yes, balloon we can count. Butter we cannot count butter. Muffins we can count. Next is marble. Yes, we can count marble. Dresses we can count. Honey we cannot count. Milk also we cannot count. Till this much I will explain you today. The rest I will explain you in the next class.